The strategy of not losing didn't work. So what if... Nah, I'm not ready to try that plan yet. This next one, let's try the no talking method. All right. For the next round, I will not say a word. Have you tried winning? Not yet. I'm saving that one. I'm saving that one. But for this next round, I will not say a damn word. It will be boring. Warning. This will be very boring. But it might work. Let's try it. Okay, in between rounds, I could talk. But are we allowed to talk? Shh, no talking. Yeah, you guys can talk all you want. Have a fucking ball. And I'm just gonna be a damn chatterbox in between these rounds because it was hard not to talk there. There were some pretty amazing dives that I got through in that round. I don't know how it happened, but I got over those rising doors at certain points when I didn't think I was going to. And before everyone's banned for talking. So, all right, that strategy seemed to work. Let's keep it going. Who the fuck? Oh, my light! Right. Okay. Perfect match. Oh, this is gonna be hard to not talk. Because I have to yell the things out loud. Bro! Oh my god. Because I saw that little wolf dude fall off that one platform. That shit was hilarious. Nah, I just can't speak. I can't speak. I can make noises. That's okay. That's okay. We're not hiding from murderers under our beds or anything like that. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. That last one, I had no idea where a mango was. I just went to where I saw people going. Lucky boy makes all the sense now. Yeah, it's a real thing, except. It's working. It's working. Okay. I had a couple another lucky dives in there. We're making things happen. All right, we're making things happen. I just want to beat Fall Guys so I can move on to a new game. No! Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god! We found the strat. Shut the fuck up. Lily, I appreciate all that luck. Yeah, we need all the clovers, all the rubbing your face in peanut butter. Is that a good luck thing or is that just weird? So that's just something I do on Saturday nights. I'm not sure. There's a reason I don't stream on Saturday nights. Wow. That was clutch. That was clutch. Really? So, okay, I have a gaming channel, by the way, where I post Twitch clips and stuff called Joey Nato Extras. Shout out to everybody that's already subbed over there. But really, the one where I post a winning video is really going to be me just not talking. It's not over yet, though. Reach the top of the mountain first and use up to grab the crown. What's that on the controller? Does anyone know? Right trigger? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Fuck that guy. Fuck you, you little orange bitch. What are you so happy about? You fucking lost. It's a problem with this generation. Jumping for joy over bronze fucking trophies. We go for gold, damn it! Well, here's the thing. I could keep playing without saying anything, but I feel like that's a bad idea. I feel like it's just not good entertainment, goddammit. So, alright, next strategy.